Howdy do. Today is Wednesday, May 26th, and Genesis is with her two godmothers, Ivy and Avis. And she's about to get her ears pierced here at where? My favorite place.
Walmart.
What y'all say?
Walmart.
And this lady's making me do it too. She went and got the lady off of lunch.
Right.
Genesis, are you ready to get your ears pierced, honey?
Getting her ears pierced. Do you,
don't
want fill her information as a paper bag? Do you want to choose the earrings so we get the shortcuts?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Genesis. Okay, so this is the last picture you with your ears untouched. What's the thing I said? Don't grab. Body modification. Natural. See, look at them earlobes. Perfect. They're great. Look at those lobes. I think I'm slightly nervous.
She needs Jesus.
You want to get out? Whoa, you're strong. You want to get out?
All right, we'll be back. Genesis, wave. We'll be back.
Genesis.
We'll be back. Wave. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Talked to you another day and he said,
Bye-bye.
he saw Sandra.
She said, I want to get my ears pierced.
I don't know how to pause.
You want to get out?
You hit record or?
It's recording everything we say too. Like, we're so idiots.
Turn the other way.
No, I'm gonna keep it right there.
You're not right.
Hold on. I should have read the book.
Just close the thing. Close the cap.
What you say, Avis?
Close the cap.
Close it.
Bye.